Today, I'm going to demonstrate the process of activating your 30-day trial. Begin by selecting the license icon located in the ribbon. This action will prompt a dialog box to appear. Within this dialog box, there is an option to enter your personal information, but this step is optional since the 30-day trial can be accessed without providing any personal details. Simply proceed by clicking the Activate button to start your trial. Please note, you can only obtain a trial this way once. As evident, the activation is successful since the expiration date has been updated. If you require a new trial, you can email us, and we will provide a license key valid for a free 60-day trial. Thank you for choosing Addosoft. We're dedicated to enhancing your CAD experience and value your trust in our solutions. Have a great day.